Hey guys, we're going to go through Monday number 34 for your DMR. So number 1 says, the chart below shows the clothes that Joe had in his closet. What is the probability that Joe will choose a blue shirt with brown pants? Okay, so you could make some combinations here with a tree diagram. So for example, if you have a blue shirt, you could have green, red, brown, or gray pants. Okay, do you see that? So if you have a yellow shirt, 1, 2, 3, 4, you have those same 4 choices. If you have a green shirt, you have those same 4 choices. And then if you have a black shirt, you have those same 4 choices. So all together, you have 16 total combinations. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So you're going to write the probability that Joe will choose a blue shirt with brown pants as a fraction. So the denominator is that you have 16 choices, and then a blue shirt with brown pants. Blue shirt with brown pants. Comes up 1 time. So he has a 1 out of 16 chance. Okay, makes sense? Awesome. All right, number 2, the 5th grade students took a math test. How many students scored 50 points? Okay, so this one's pretty easy. We just need to look at 50 and then count. I'm assuming since they don't have a key here that an X equals 1 student. The graph should have a key. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 students scored 50 points. All right. Number 3, order the following from least to greatest. Okay, see that? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rewrite the fractions as decimals. I'm also writing, you could just write it as 2.2 because 1/5 equals 0.2. So remember, the decimal doesn't change when you add zeros behind it, okay? So I have 2.4, 2.3, 2.0, 2.2, and 2.6. So right off the bat, I see that 2.04 is my least because it has a 0 in the 10th place. They all have a whole number of 2, so I just went right over to the next place. Okay, I'm going to use that same strategy. So now I have 2.4, 2.3, 2.2, and 2.6. Well, it looks like 2.2 is going to be our best bet, but I'm going to write it like this because that's how it showed up in our fraction form, okay? All right. Now I have 2.4, 2.3, and 2.6. Well, I know 3 would be the next, so I'm going to write it as 2 1/3 because that's how it shows up here. But what I did is I just showed you 1/3 equals 0.333 repeating. Okay. All right, that one's done. And then 2.4 is going to come next. And then 2.65 is going to be the greatest. So again, if you wanted to change those to decimals, that way you can see 2.0, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.6, least to greatest. Awesome. All right. Number 4. Number 4 says that Jack had 18.3 gallons of water to take on his camping trip, and then he splits the water into 3 containers. How many gallons of water are in each container? So we're going to divide this by 3. There's not a decimal out here, so that means that we can just move the decimal straight up in the answer. 3 cannot go into 1, but it can go into 18 6 times. 3 times 6 is 18. And then 3 can go into 3 1 time. So how many gallons of water are in each container? There is 6.1 gallons in each container. Okay. And number 5. Number 5 says that Anne purchased 8 pizzas, She ate 5 2/7 of them while watching TV. How many pizzas does she have remaining? I'm going to do this in a picture form. So I'm going to draw 8 pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it says she eats 5 2/7. So I'm just going to put an X through what she eats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the tricky part, is that you're going to have to cut this into sevenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then she eats 2/7. So 1, 2. Okay? What's left? Well, I see 2 whole pizzas and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/7 of a pizza remaining. All right, awesome job.